Since the 60s, Karbis have been demanding autonomy, variously called Hill State, Full-Fledged State, Separate State, or Autonomous State. The demand necessitated as the Sixth Schedule autonomy was not enough to fulfill the aspirations of the Karbi people, who occupy the largest district in the entire northeast India, rich in natural resources and larger than state like Sikkim in geographical area. Ruling party and other socio-political organizations have peacefully raised the issue through memorandum submissions and demonstrations. When the Hill State of Meghalaya was created in 1969, which was later raised to the status of a full-fledged state, the opportunity eluded the Karbi people. Several movements were launched during the decades from 70s to 90s, becoming more vocal, organized, and at times violent. During the period, two important agreements were also signed, which are the MOU of 1995 and MOS of 2011. However, the younger generation of Karbis feels that the real issue of autonomy is not yet fulfilled. This has been agitating their minds. And on the midnight of 30th July 2013, the decision for creation of the state of Telangana was announced by the coalition partners in the union government. Karbi youth felt cheated. On 31st July, Karbi youth came out spontaneously in protest against being ignored once again. The youth disrupted government offices, communications, and targeted political representatives to vent their anger. Hundreds of students and youth took to the street at Diphu, the headquarters of Karbi Anglong district. They clashed with police and went on a rampage. Rahul Singnar, a protester, fell victim of a police firing on 31st July 2013. Many youth sustained injuries, many were arrested. The killing of a youth, another martyr in the cause of autonomy for Karbi Anglong, fueled the protest and helped it spread across the district. Rahul Singnar, who was only 22 years, became a new icon of the Karbi people's struggle for autonomy. This short video, made by the actual footages shot during the protest by journalists and activists, is a tribute to the supreme sacrifice of Rahul Singnar on his 7th year of martyrdom. The struggle for Hemprek continues.